when I reach the spot. Niggas always dummy, got from the empty slot. Change ways, niggas, no truth, no plot. Fuck a wet bread.
What is up, guys? Tommy here with Sinister Productions, bringing you guys another vlog. So, as I told you, the exhaust for the R32 Skyline was about a month away. It's supposed to be here in February sometime. Well, I got a nice little surprise. It came in already. That's right. HKS high power exhaust, straight from Japan, has actually already landed. And my brother and I will be putting that on that today. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. We're gonna get this, figure out a way to put it in the car. I don't think we're gonna be able to. I'm probably have to take everything out of the box and then take it. So we will have to find out and see if I can get it to fit, just so we can get it over to the shop, get this thing on a lift and get this exhaust on. Can't wait. Hold tight. All right, we are back, and I did it again, guys. So essentially, we've already halfway got the exhaust on the car. I just went in my mouth. Shit. That's great.
Take two.
Take two. Deuces. It's funny. I actually watched that Fast and Foxiest the other day.
Yes.
On your YouTube. I went back and saw that shit. I was like, dude, that is awesome. That was 9 years ago.
It was so good.
It was awesome. All right. Anyway, so bullshit aside. So my brother and I are over here at a shop, and we actually are almost done putting the HKS high power exhaust on the 93 R32 Skyline. And I'm just gonna kind of pan over here. This thing is looking nasty. Really, really, really good quality stuff from HKS. It's one of the reasons why I went with it, because they are known for their quality. There's no rubbing. It hangs perfect right here. It sticks out just far enough to where it comes past the bumper. It looks absolutely amazing. The factory exhaust was surprisingly easy to get out, even though from the catalytic converter, these bolts were like extremely, the studs were really rusted and corroded, and they are, yeah, it's still easy to get out. PB Blaster to the rescue. But we're just about finished up, and just bolting up the last couple bolts here. My brother hard at work, and got that up here. Probably just going to add washers to that, and that's going to be it. Downpipe probably will be done at a later date. Uncertain yet. We'll have to see how this thing sounds. But all right, hold tight. We're going to do a sound clip here in a little bit after we get everything buttoned up. That's quiet. I'm actually very surprised at how quiet that is. It is the next day. It's actually beautiful out here. It was raining yesterday when we actually did the exhaust. So today I'm actually going to go out, do some sound clips, and yeah, try to get some flybys and some revving and some stuff like that. That was a cold start. This exhaust is actually really quiet. It's not much louder than factory, at idle at least. So, and I haven't really, it's hard to judge it by outside or inside the car. So hopefully I can get some good sound clips. Hopefully it sounds good. I haven't heard it going down the road or getting down on it from outside the car yet, so we'll see. All right, hold tight. We're gonna take a little ride. We'll be right back. All right, so first impressions inside the car. Glasses are dirty as shit. There is a little bit of drone. The car's not real loud at all. Sorry about the wind noise. Good, put the windows back up. There's a little bit of drone. With being an automatic, it kind of sucks because of the overdrive kicks in and it brings it really low RPM while just kind of cruising. So it gets real deep, but it's not horrible. I mean, I've seen, you know, I've got Mustangs and stuff like that, so it's not as bad as a Mustang, like with, you know, with something that drones real bad. But it does have a little bit of drone to it, mainly probably because of the resonators putting in so much work. I don't hear it from the back. I mainly hear it coming from where, like, the midsection where the resonator is. And no, there is no exhaust leak. I've already checked it, but besides that, it's not bad. It's really quiet. I was hoping for a little bit more sound out of it, considering this is not the silent power HKS exhaust, because they do make an alternate called HKS silent power, you know, whatever, blah blah blah. But I also have stock, you know, factory downpipe, factory catalytic converter, so it doesn't have, you know, a downpipe on it, which is going to free up a lot of horsepower and make it a lot louder. So I'm still thinking about debating later on maybe getting a downpipe for it, just to give it a little bit more horsepower, just a little bit more sound. But I do want to make sure that the downpipe has like a high flow cat. I'll probably go with an HKS just to match the whole system. Granted, it's a lot more expensive than an average downpipe, but you know, you get what you pay for. So I mean, I really see that with this exhaust setup. I mean, the quality and the fitment is absolutely perfect with the HKS exhaust. So I can't be any more happy about how, you know, how this thing fits, how it looks. You use a little bit more sound. Not a huge deal. It's kind of nice because my wife doesn't like loud cars. So being that she may be driving this sometimes, it's kind of nice because I don't have to worry about, you know, her getting upset because the car's too loud or any of that stuff. So, and with the factory catalytic converter, it doesn't stink. So it's also a good thing. So you get the looks, you get the fitment, you get a little bit of the sound without being too obnoxious. And yeah, so in a few minutes, I'm gonna get some drive-by. I'll probably do it a couple times. You know, I'll probably get a few, you know, really getting in it type of run-bys, flybys, whatever, and then I'll just kind of drive like normal driving, so you can kind of hear exactly what, you know, what the exhaust sounds like on a RB20. So, hold tight. Alright guys, there are your clips. That is the HKS high power cat-pack exhaust for the 93 R32 Skyline GTST. The exhaust is actually for a R32 GTR because they don't make it for the GTST. The only difference is everything bolts up just fine. All the hangers are used except for one. But you don't really need it because there's still plenty of stability and it's not going anywhere. So I may relocate the hanger later on. Honestly, it's not that big of a deal because literally it does not move. So I'm really excited about it. I'm going to actually run through these clips and hope that the car sounds pretty good from the outside. It's going to be kind of hard to tell unless I hear it in person, but it's not bad. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the quality. I'm happy with the fitment, the way it looks. Because I mean, that big ass cannon coming out of the back of this thing, it's a little dirty now because like I said yesterday, we actually installed this in the rain. So, whew, damn, that's hot. We actually installed this in the rain. So she's pretty dirty right now. But she looked good. Definitely a quality exhaust piece, by all means. I mean, it is big as shit. It's like 3.5 inch or 3 1/4 or something like that. It's crazy. And it is straight through the muffler, but it does have a resonator down there as well. So alright guys, well that's going to do it for this vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell. I will have more Mustang content coming soon. Spring is right around the corner. We're going to be throwing these things on the car and taking it to the track to get the car tuned. I'm going to take it over to Kevin Adolph at Flim Flam Speed, get him to work his magic on the car. I got a few more things I want to do to it before I do that, but I still drive the car. I'm still having a blast with it. Everybody knows how it's like when you get a new toy. The old toy kind of gets kicked to the curb for a little bit, but she's still there. I still drive it. But, you know, more things to come on this as well. Like I said, we're waiting on the Fortune Auto coilovers to get done so we can put those on the car and a few other things. So, all right, guys. Again, like, subscribe, hit the bell. More content is coming your way. We'll see you in the next go round. Later.
Everybody wanna play me, everybody wanna change me. Nobody ever gonna phase me. No fake accounts like KD. Doing the shit that I want to. Nobody I'll ever run to.